Well, folks, here I am in the middle of nowhere, and I just spotted something incredible. That pink truck back there, that's the Simpsons family truck, and today my mission is to bring this beauty back to life. Look at this field, completely deserted. How did this truck end up here? How long has it been sitting in this wasteland? I got so many questions running through my head right now. There she is, pink as can be, covered in dust and rust. And wait, what's that on the roof? Wait, what? That's Homer Simpson's head. This is seriously bizarre and totally unexpected. This truck has a story behind during one of his pranks. The car's gotten seriously filthy. Looks like it's been tearing through wet spring mud, splashing grime all over the place. The body panels are rough, really rough, but you know what? I've seen worse. There's still solid metal underneath all this crud. We might have something to work with here. Guys, before I reveal the secrets of this unusual Homer Simpson van, I need you to hit that subscribe button and join the channel so you don't miss what's coming next. The headlights are smashed. The bulbs look ancient. It's almost like this used to be some old stunt car that's seen way too much action. There's so much dirt caked on that you can't even see what's inside. It's completely buried under layers of grime. The passenger seat is completely destroyed. Homer's such a glutton. Look at this. Someone spilled fries all over the place, like he couldn't even keep them in the bag. And here's Homer himself, lying on his back holding 2 mugs of Duff beer. Classic Homer. Passed out after one too many. This is definitely the Simpsons family vehicle, alright. Back inside the cab now. Dashboard is filthy. Controls are covered in dust. But you know what? The steering wheel still feels solid. Let me grab it and see if everything's still connected. Through this dirty windshield, I can barely see anything. It's like looking through a muddy pond. This glass needs serious cleaning. What the heck? There's French fries scattered on the floor and a $100 bill just sitting there, and Duff beer bottles everywhere. Homer would be proud of this mess. An organizer full of Duff beer bottles, pink labels, brown bottles, the whole collection. This truck is basically a mobile Moe's Tavern. Absolutely incredible. Premium Duff in a can, still sealed. Good old Duff beer. Looks like Homer's favorite is right here. Classic as ever. Oh, and this has to be Homer's beer mug, his signature cup, like it's straight out of the show and somehow ended up here. Well then, here's to you, my friends. Cheers. Ugh, I didn't even check. This mug is filthy and there are fries sitting inside it. That's just gross. It's the whole Simpson family. Homer, Marge, Bart, Lisa, Maggie, and their pets. This box is weathered, but the characters are still recognizable. Yellow skin and all. This floor is a complete disaster zone, but somewhere under all this mess is a functioning vehicle. At least I hope so. Found some donuts. Pink frosting with colorful sprinkles. Homer's favorite. These are still in their packaging. Breaking one open to see what's inside. We should probably tidy things up a bit in here. Clean up the mess before it gets any worse. Alright, I'll hang on to these for now. They're actually kind of cool little finds compared to the rest of this mess. I'm here for mechanical work, so let's move to what really matters. Under the hood now. This is where the real work begins. Looking at this engine, everything is covered in decades of grime. These pipes, these hoses, they all need inspection. I'm tracing each line to understand how this system works. Alright, let's secure this fuel pump to the engine, but we'll also have to deal with that torn hose before everything's properly set up. I'm tightening this long extended nut. It's designed that way so you can easily reach and secure it right underneath the pump without any hassle. And another one. Back at my truck to grab some tools. Got a complete socket set here with all the sizes I'll need. Screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, everything for this restoration job. Selecting the right socket for this job. Organization is key in mechanical work. I know exactly where every tool is, so I don't waste time searching. Back on the engine with my socket wrench. I'm loosening this fuel line connection. Counterclockwise to loosen, just like you learned in shop class. Slow and steady. Now we need to find a suitable hose to connect the carburetor to the pump. Not just anyone will do. It has to be the right fit and material to work properly. I think this one should do the job. It looks like the right fit and should work just fine for what we need. Alright, now let's hook the hose up on the other side as well, connecting it with the filter so the whole fuel line is properly set up and ready to go. Back to my toolbox for a different socket. Sometimes you need to switch sizes mid-job. That's normal. The important thing is having the right tools when you need them. We need to pull off this stuck, torn piece of hose. It's jammed on there and has to come off before we can replace it properly. still working on the fuel system components. Every piece I check brings us closer to the goal, getting this pink beast back on the road. That's what it's all about. Now we should top up Homer's ride, but not with Duff beer this time, just regular fuel like it actually needs. Looks like Homer's fuel tank is actually tucked under the hood, which is pretty unusual, but kind of fitting for this weird setup. Ah, there it is. This is exactly where we need to pour the gasoline, right into this spot under the hood. Perfect. Homer's all fueled up, and a fueled Homer is a happy Homer ready to roll. Alright, oh, I should pump up the tires a bit as well to get everything ready for the road. I'm feeding the hose into the tank and giving it a few manual pumps to prime some fuel into the carburetor, just to get things flowing nicely. I'm hooking up my battery to Homer's car, getting it connected so we can finally try to bring this thing to life. Connecting jumper cables to the battery. This yellow wire goes to positive. Without power, nothing works. The battery is literally the lifeblood of any vehicle. Inside the cab, checking the electrical system. Wires running everywhere, dashboard switches. I need to make sure the ignition circuit is complete before turning the key. Nice. The engine just kicked over and is running. Sounds like it finally came back to life and is holding steady. Alright, now let's pump up the tire a bit. Get some air in there so it's properly ready for the road. Alright, that's enough. I'm wrapping things up and packing it all away for now. Alright folks, moment of truth is coming. I've checked the fuel system, the electrical, the compression, everything looks ready. Let's see if this Simpsons truck wants to live again. Sitting in the driver's seat now. Feet on the pedals, hands ready on the wheel. This dirty interior doesn't bother me. I've been in worse. Focus on the goal. Alright, let's get out of here and roll on out before anything else goes sideways. Behind the wheel with a view through this filthy windshield. Can barely see the field outside, but I don't need to see much, just need to hear that engine turn over. The dirt on this windshield tells a story. Years of sitting, seasons changing, weather beating down. This truck has been waiting for someone to wake it up. That was a breezy, thrilling ride. Alright, now let's take one more look at the fully restored Simpsons van and see how it all turned out. Standing outside, looking at my work, the engine is prepped, fuel is fresh, battery is charged. This pink Simpsons truck either runs today or it doesn't. No more excuses. Full view of the truck now. She's rough, she's dirty, but she's got character. If Homer Simpson could see his truck now, he'd probably say Dio and crack open a Duff. Side view shows just how weathered this truck is, but that's what makes restoration satisfying, taking something forgotten and giving it new life. That's the whole point. And there's Homer, still holding his beers. If you enjoyed watching me work on the Simpsons truck, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment telling me what car I should restore next.